What do professional thesis editors actually do, step by step? Many students think editing is just fixing grammar. In reality, professional thesis editing is a structured academic process designed to improve clarity, accuracy, and submission readiness without changing your research. Here's what actually happens behind the scenes. Step 1. Initial read-through. The editor first reads your entire thesis to understand your topic, argument, and structure. This helps identify weak areas, unclear logic, and sections that don't align with your research objectives. Step 2. Structure and flow check. They evaluate whether your chapters connect logically from introduction to conclusion. They check if your literature review supports your research gap, and whether your methodology matches your objectives. Step 3. Language and clarity improvement. This is where sentences are refined, long, confusing, or repetitive lines are rewritten for clarity while preserving your meaning and academic tone. Step 4. Citation and reference correction. Editors fix missing citations, inconsistent formatting, and ensure your references follow required styles. This reduces academic risk and improves credibility. Step 5. Consistency and formatting review. Headings, terminology, tense usage, and formatting are standardized across the document to match university guidelines. Step 6. Plagiarism risk reduction. Without changing ideas, editors improve paraphrasing and citation clarity to help reduce unnecessary similarity issues flagged by tools like Turnitin at thesis-edit.com. This process is done carefully to preserve your research while improving how it is presented. Because thesis editing is not about rewriting your work, it's about refining it until your ideas are clear, credible, and exam-ready.